Occidental South China 2024 exhibition, our main aim is to inform you that our Bloomden product line is continuously expanding and diversifying. We are showcasing our newest products, 30 Pro ml zirconium material, intraoral scanner FC100, mini machine X6, as well as Bloomden paste glaze stain. We will demonstrate the features and advantages of our products, machine, and solutions through product demonstration, technical explanation, and on-site consultation. So welcome to our Bloomden booth at 460.2 G10.